So qualifying for a loan with bad or no credit might be difficult, but you still have some options if you're willing to put in a little work. You may have heard me say those exact words in this YouTube short here. However, because of the amount of attention that video has gained, I think it's only right for me to elaborate on the best personal loans that you can apply for in order to help you whatever financial needs that you may be seeking. So you may want to watch this video to the very end, because not only would I be explaining the best personal loans that you should consider applying for, but I'll also be explaining what exactly these loans are good for. What's up, money thinkers? Welcome back to the channel where we help you unlock the secrets to money success. In today's video, we will be diving into a topic that can be a game changer for those of us with bad credit or no credit. That's right, we're going to be going over the best personal loans that help you overcome your financial obstacles and help you build a better financial future. So be sure to take notes through this video. Make sure you like to show your support, and don't forget to subscribe so that you can stay up to date with all of this free knowledge. Enough talking, let's jump into the details. So first on the list is a lender called OppLoans. This is probably the best option if you're looking for a quick loan. This is an online lender who has a reputation for offering loans to individuals who have less than perfect credit. This is because OppLoans specialize in providing loans to individuals who may have been turned down by traditional lenders based on their credit history. However, let's take a closer look of the pros and cons of having a loan with OppLoans. So just starting with the pros, OppLoans offers accessibility because it considers factors beyond your credit score when evaluating a loan application. They also offer fast approvals, which in many cases, borrowers see a decision within minutes and sometimes see a disbursement of funds within the next business day. Flexible repayment terms is also a benefit of having this loan because they allow borrowers to choose repayment plans that best fits their financial situation. They also offer credit building because they report your payment history to the major credit bureaus. So taking a look at their cons, the first thing that you may notice is that they may have higher interest rates compared to other lenders. They also tend to offer smaller amounts, which is a downside because they have a limit on the amount of money that they can lend you. And another downside is that they are not available in every state in the country. As far as my advice, I suggest that you really consider how bad your financial situation is, evaluate their terms as compared to other lenders, and really think about if this is the best option for you. Because it's important to remember that you got to be responsible when you borrow money, as well as make sure you make your payments on time in order to keep your credit score to a good standing. And next on the list is 60 months loans, which is best if you're looking for a lender that does no credit checks. And just as it says in its name, you have the options to repay your loan within 60 months or 5 years, which is a great way to have low monthly payments. So jumping straight into the pros of having this loan, we do know because of the extended terms, it does allow us to have the option to have lower monthly payments, which offers us more flexibility when planning for our financial future. Also, they do offer a larger amount that you can apply for in order to get approved for. And because it is a loan, it does add to your credit mix, which gives you the option to improve your credit. However, although it does offer us lower monthly payments because of the extended long terms of this loan, this could also be a downside to having this loan because the longer the loan is open, the more you'll be paying in the long run. With that being said, many of us look at it as a downside of having a loan that long, which can also means a higher interest in the long terms, as well as keeping us tied to a loan for an extended period of time. Once again, as far as my advice, I suggest that you do your research and try to figure out if this is a great option based off your financial situation. Otherwise, let's continue going so that we can help weigh our options. And next on the list is OneMain Financial, which is best if you're looking for a secure personal loan, and they also offer some of the best repayment terms. They pretty much specialize in providing loans to individuals with various different credit background histories, and that also includes individuals with bad credit or even no credit. And they aim to assist individuals in achieving their financial goals by providing loans for purposes such as home improvement, car repairs, medical bills, and the list just goes on. With that being said, let's dive into the pros and cons of having a personal loan with OneMain Financial. And just like some of the other loans, it offers accessibility, flexible loan options, quick approval, as well as funding, and it also gives you the option to improve your credit. And some of the downsides of having this loan is that they may have higher interest rates, additional fees, limited loan repayment options, as well as they may require collateral, which is the secure part of the loan. And once again, make sure you carefully consider the pros and cons of this loan to compare it to your options out there and find out what best fits your personal needs. And last on the list is an online lender known as UpStart, which is currently rated as the best overall personal loan option. And what makes UpStart so great is that they like to utilize a unique underwriting process in which they take into account various different factors other than just your credit score when considering your application. What's interesting to me is that they actually use AI technology and machine learning algorithms when considering your application. And what happens when you apply is that this AI technology actually like to evaluate your potential based off your education, your work experience, and other potential important data points. So jumping straight into the pros, we do know that this loan is accessible to borrowers with limited credit history. And for many of these lenders, we have yet to see that the interest rate is a pro for having this loan, which in this case, this loan offers competitive interest rates. They also have a quick and easy application process, and they're also transparent about their fee structures. Although they are very clear about their fee structure, that also play as a con for this loan. They do not offer joint applications, they also have a limit on their term options, and they also do not offer this loan in all of the states in America. However, although this lender is rated as the best personal loan option, it's also important that you do your research, just like I said, because you never know, there might be additional options out there along with this list that may best fit your needs. Alright guys, so that's my cue to conclude this video. I hope you found the information of this video interesting enough to give it a like, and I hope you found me interesting enough to subscribe. Other than that, you may be interested in watching this video because YouTube think you may be interested in it. Peace.